Yeah.
Wow.
That's just so far. That's
Okay.
usually Idaho.
I would be out in the pool most of the day. Oh, that's pretty nice.
Well, it's
I
got
like
a little
it.
skimmer thing going on right now. Yeah, so Denise Myers,
Yep.
Paul Myers, Road Warrior Investors again.
Yes, we
Back out
are.
in the field, this time a little further south than Arizona, Tucson.
Hi there,
And
Larry from Tucson.
There you
Larry
go.
from
Good
Tucson.
to know you.
How far are we actually from the border here in Tucson?
Right about 60 miles.
It's about
That's
60.
not
That's what, the map is about this far.
Oh yeah.
So, I just
Well,
thought,
I mean, to get where you're from, it's like that far.
it is.
I mean, so how long did it take to get here?
It took a few days. We left for the first.
Well, the first.
Yeah. We stopped a lot. Anyway, so
We had to see some sights.
Well,
like
we
the
have no
Hoover
snow here. I
Dam
mean, it's
and, yeah.
December, what, 5th?
Yeah.
There's no snow.
No,
yeah, and you got
No.
flat roofs.
Got a lot of flat roofs. We
Yeah.
don't get snow.
I thought roofs. So Larry, we got a house here in
Yeah.
the middle of a
Yeah.
rehab on.
Yeah, we've got a little house built in the 50s or 60s, 4-bedroom, 2-bath. A lot of work. Bought it from a nice group, nice family, and going to be a big project, but a fun one, I guess you could
All
say.
right. You want to go show it off?
They're
Sure,
all
come
fun.
on in. Let's go
Go
in.
check
take
it
a look.
out.
So we're just kind of starting and finalizing demo. Got a few things going on.
Oh, like okay.
Yeah, it was a nice, smelly one for us.
Okay.
So look
kind
at
of the
it.
biggest thing we've done so far.
What's your rehab plan here for this one?
In the pool.
What's your vision?
Well, really, the floor plan's not that bad, to be honest with you. Probably the biggest thing is we need a true master.
Okay.
So what I think we're actually going to do here is we've got bathroom, hall bath,
Yep.
guest bedroom, or hall bath.
Okay. Oh, it's a big bedroom too.
And then we've got a little here.
Yeah.
And then we're going to make this the master. And in order to do that, we're going to come across here. We're going to put a door right here.
Okay.
I'm sorry, right here.
Yep.
Excuse me.
Good.
We're going to close this up.
Oh.
And then we're going to put an opening right there so we're going to get into that. Give us
Take this
true
wall
master.
out, maybe. Is this wall that one?
Increases value.
Yeah.
No, we'll leave that wall.
Oh, okay.
That becomes
Yeah.
master.
We put a door here.
Oh, okay.
Close right up where you're standing, please.
Okay. So what room will that be? That's
Master.
really
Close up right here.
okay.
So then you'll put a door here.
Okay.
So you'll go into the master. The master bath will be on your left. Master bath straight. Furnace will be closed up. We'll put a door right here
Okay.
into that bedroom.
Okay.
There's a
It's just this room just feels so small. So I'm like, this is going to be the primary
It's the only
one.
way I can make.
Wow.
Well, better enough.
We've got a bedroom there
Okay.
and another bath right.
Wow. Okay.
Oh,
That's a big one.
Unless you have another idea, I'm all ears.
So this is off the kitchen.
Kind of stuck. Well,
Yeah.
what about coming from the back side of the?
No, the bathrooms we have there, the hall bath.
Oh, where's the
That's
master?
outside.
Oh, so it's completely outside. Otherwise, he pops through here and wall it.
I'd love to. It's just not gonna happen.
No, do you chip this up and you put new flooring?
Yeah, we'll put all new tile down.
Wow.
You do chip. You usually do over.
No, we'll scrape it.
Okay.
When you have another thing.
You take it off first.
Yeah.
You will chip it off.
Yeah, we'll all go with it.
Okay. Because we don't have tile floors like this. I don't. So that's why I have
a lot of labor to demo it up.
Definitely.
Wow.
We do.
And you good news is we got copper pipes here.
Yeah, I see that.
Galvanized pipes. So.
Oh, would this be considered a first-time home buyer home?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. What's the price point, if you don't mind me asking, for when it hits the market? About.
Oh, 325 to 350.
Reasonable. Okay.
Yeah, more than reasonable.
Okay.
So then we've got this other bedroom here, and here, and here.
And the little fireplace.
So bedroom here. So they've already done that whole permit for the HVAC system.
Yeah.
Is this supposed to be
This is
a
a bedroom.
closet or what's that going to
I
be?
don't know yet. We're going to decide very shortly. It might be a closet. You know, we got a window here, so that's good. We've got vacuum. We've got electric there. Might be a closet.
Mm-hmm.
And then over here, we'll probably widen this up a little.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I used to I've seen this be a crowd one time.
It was cardboard, yeah.
Yeah.
That's when the AC.
Right. That's a hot
Not
mess.
there.
Yeah, you got to do it.
Yeah, fun stuff. Looks like the roof's done. So we got a few things to do.
Wow.
Well, now it's tore out, put it back together. So
Now you have an acquisition manager. Is that right? Or
She's retired.
she retired? Did she pick the? Was she the one that worked with the family then on this one,
Yeah.
or was it a wholesale deal?
This was a wholesale.
Okay, so you bought it from a wholesaler, yeah. And we find for us too, for lead streams, you need multiple different lead streams coming in, and buying from wholesalers is one of those
Any
lead
lead's a
streams.
good lead.
Yeah.
From any source.
Yeah, yeah.
So let me show you the back there. This is kind of cool.
The numbers just have to work.
Numbers down where?
Yeah.
it's probably expensive. I know that
Very
we saw one up in Phoenix. They were redoing the pool and
Yeah.
getting ready to
15
replaster.
grand.
Was that something we
Depending
don't
on
feel-
the plaster, and then the pool pump was old. So
Yeah.
Oh, that's
it's
probably
a
not five
15,
grand.
17, $18,000 decision. So
This
it's just
is a-
easier to spend 7 or 8 and get rid of it.
Yeah, for
glad
sure.
You got nice, easy access to get back here from the alley. So,
Yep.
Yeah, for sure.
big yard.
Yeah, it sure was.
Yeah. And you know your.
Oh, we're going to decide that momentarily too. I don't know.
About how long is your rehab project timeline?
Oh, we should be done in about, I would say, another 6 weeks.
That's not bad. That's good. Oh,
I
nice.
see exposed
So-
ductwork on the roof too. There's so many different
Yeah.
things that I mean, we
Yeah, we do a lot of that around
can't
here.
do that. I
If you look
noticed
at
that,
some
I'm like,
other houses, you'll see
"Hey,
all over.
that's crazy.
Pretty sober.
We can, I mean,
Yeah.
what do we know on our cold climate?
Yeah. So, and if you don't mind me asking, Larry, what's about the approximate budget for the rehab on this one?
Budget for the rehab on this one. This will run us probably around $85,000. Between, well, the roof's 10 to
Yeah.
12 or so.
It's not cheap anymore, is it?
Pool, no, everything's doubled.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that, even not only labor, but just material.
Yeah.
So.
We'll do that later when I'm not on video. The roof's 10 to 12. The pool
just
was
a-
8 or 9, so there's 20.
Yeah.
You haven't gone inside yet.
No,
Yeah.
I mean, it's just nuts. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's like, that's very normal now.
Yeah. Have you ever thought about the positive impact in which your budget of 85,000 in a 6-week time period going into a house has on the local community? What does
Oh,
that
it's
positive
huge.
impact look like for
I mean,
you?
we use the same roofers, the same termite guy, the same HVAC guy, the same plumbers.
You're putting a lot of people to work.
Yeah.
Yeah.
On every job, at multiple jobs a month.
Mhm.
So it's very important.
And then when you go to resell it too, you're bringing a new family in,
New family, all
new
the time.
life.
And this,
Yeah,
this
it's, there's a lot of homes, I'm sure, across the country, but I know in Tucson that, they just get in this condition for whatever reason. They inherit the house and mom and dad didn't keep it up, or they don't have money to fix it up. I mean, this is not an uncommon situation for us in this market. And these are a lot of work.
Well, 6 weeks, you got crews in and out. Yeah,
Yeah, it's a lot of work.
for sure.
It'll be beautiful when we're done with it.
Yeah, that's kind of what you have to do on these houses because nobody could really buy it the way it was and just move in for their kids in it. It needs
Well,
work.
it's
It's
not
like,
financeable.
exactly. So somebody has to do
A
it.
lot of
right?
people don't have the money. It's
Especially
got
now.
time and risk, uncertainty, and there's just a lot of stuff there you got to think about.
Yeah,
Yeah,
for sure.
I know.
I think it's pretty neat what you're doing, though. I
Yeah,
think
it's a
pretty cool.
blast.
And how many projects about do you have in play right now?
We're just rehabbing.
No, not necessarily rehabbing, but total in play, whether you're under contract or it's on the market or
15 to 20, probably 18.
yeah, that's a lot.
Yeah.
That's a lot of projects.
It's fun though.
Keeps
days.
you going.
So look at this side.
Keeps
of the
you
house.
young.
Alright.
Going over here. For all the wood you burn.
So what was the dump load out of here for your clean out? How many dump loads? I see the big trash container outside.
Oh, probably around 3 dumpsters so far.
That's not too bad.
No, maybe 4.
Yeah.
4. We've had others where it's been like 15.
Yeah, it's expensive.
I think we had one like 20 years ago, 6, 7 years ago, where it was 20 dumpsters. Our
Yeah.
dumpster bill was like 10 grand.
Yeah, we've had those, and people always ask, "Did you find anything good in there?"
No. Yeah, our dumpsters were probably $350 a piece, and we planted 20 dumpsters, so
Right.
what's that, 7, 8 grand, plus we had overage and weight. It was probably like 9 grand in dumpsters. That was an interesting house.
Yeah, and you know, it's a weird thing about dumpsters is you think that one dumpster would do it, would fit in. You start loading the dumpster, you realize that you only made a little dent in the house. You
Yeah.
need another dumpster.
Yeah.
It's more than you think. It's always more stuff.
Lots
than
of
you think.
stuff.
Yeah.
It's fun. Keeps you busy.
How long have you been doing real estate investing now?
Well, 8 years, I guess.
8 years? Okay.
Wow.
What made you get into it?
That was fun. Wanted to get out of the corporate world and do something different.
Every day is different
Yeah.
now.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, if you were a new real estate investor wanting to get into the business, is there any advice you would give that person?
Oh, go for it. It's a lot of work. It's not easy, but go for it. I mean, it's a wonderful business. Have a good support group, people you can talk to, mentors, whatever it may be. Go for it if you really want to do it. It's tough though, but it's well worth it. Answer your question?
Huh?
Yeah.
No, there's no wrong answer. All right, what else you want to show off or share, or nothing at all, or
We'll show
Go-
another house. I'll
go-
talk to Nacho real quick.
you do it?
You got it off. You don't want to be on camera. Don't do it.
Still in Tucson, looking at some of Larry's finished product now. Larry's not able to join us, but we have somebody that works for him work to join us.
Deanna.
Deanna's going to be here.
I know.
Let us in the house. Kind of want to see a finished product versus something that we just toured, which was just kind of
Not.
starting.
Not
This
finished
is
at
finished
all.
on the market. I don't know how
Yep.
much we'll ask, but
So we got this one right here on the market, and I think we need to go check it out. What do
great
you think?
neighborhood. I mean, it's really
It is. Knock, knock. Hello, Deanna.
No.
Look at this beautiful space. Hello, Deanna. Wow, great space.
Yeah.
Hello, hello. Say hello to our YouTube warriors. I love it. I love it.
So, nice house.
Laundry into the room.
Nice. Okay. No staging on this one. Do you know if you typically stage the properties?
Typically we don't,
Okay.
unless it's like a room that's odd and kind of needs
just weird.
needs some vision on the
Oh
yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
Nice big hallway.
Mm-hmm. Look at this beautiful bathroom. Was this a rehabbed bathroom?
Yeah.
Then, yeah.
The floor rehab.
Wow.
Nice tiles.
Yeah.
It's a nice, good, clean,
And it smells good too.
nice house.
I don't know if you guys are using something in the air, but it does smell good. So we got a 4-bedroom.
Yes.
Wow.
Look at this.
a massive suite in that. Huh?
This is nice. So this one did not smell very good.
Oh wow. Need a shower or something here.
Yeah.
What has it blocked in here?
And then you have the extra closet over here so you can pick your husband up.
Oh.
What is that? What this is?
I'm walking in.
Oh, that's
And
fun.
then there's
Okay.
a whole other separate closet.
Nice.
Oh, the guy's closet over here.
Yes.
We have a pool in the backyard?
Yeah. I saw-
Wow.
That's just so cool. That's than that.
Okay.
Usually, Idaho.
I would be out in the pool most of the day. Oh, that's pretty nice.
Oh, it's
I
got
like
a little
it.
skimmer thing going on right now.
Yeah.
Wow.
So now, Deanna, what do you do for Larry?
I do a mixture of office coordinating
Yeah.
and buyer help, and on the sales side as well, and report those contracts.
Nice. Or real estate investing. How long have you been interested in real estate investing?
I've been doing the home busters stuff for 2.5 years.
Nice.
So,
I like it. What was your interest by real estate investing?
I was doing property management before,
Okay.
so it's 7 years that prior. So
Oh.
just seeing the other side of homes, seeing
I
the
love it.
owning side.
Mhm.
I love it. I love it. That's so
Awesome.
cool. Yeah,
Nice house.
it is. This is
Definitely.
nice.
Ship it, heat, ready to go.
Yeah.
Just need somebody to buy it, right?
For sure.
And I like you have are those lemon trees over there?
Oh, maybe.
Nice.
Yes. So the thing we don't see.
No. No.
Boise is high desert, but it's not. It's cold.
Okay. So you don't get as much of
Yeah,
the.
we're higher elevation, so we don't get.
Yeah. Well, this is a super cute home, and it's on the market.
Yes.
So if someone wants to buy it out here in Tucson, we need to let them know. Come on out.
Yes.
That's nice.
Yeah,
That's
I like
nice.
it.
Do you know anything about what they transformed in here?
I don't believe we should.
That's okay.
Well, so I can tell you that. I mean, these are new cabinets. Yeah, new cabinets. They're
Yeah.
actually much lower.
Yeah.
I believe there was the previous was the smoker, so I think everything had to go into
Yeah.
a full
Mm.
re-gut to the kilns. Like it smells just
Yeah.
into everything. So
Yeah, it does.
I think that all the cabinets just
Yeah, I think they actually kept those doors. Those look like the one in the original. Those two. See how the
you
doors
see that they're less squared than these
Yeah,
ones.
so these would be a typical raised panel, probably from 90s only place to go. Which that's
Yeah.
fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
I would-
Yeah. So you're working for Larry. I know that there's a lot of behind the scenes work that goes on when you're out looking to buy homes, and then you're picking them up, and then you're putting work to them, or whatever the exit strategy is. Can you share any insight in terms of what a day in a life looks like for the behind the scenes world? I don't know.
It's never the same day twice.
Yeah.
That's I think what's fun about it.
Yeah.
There's always something new and you're meeting new people.
Yeah.
You're going with the flow. And learn you really have a schedule. You try to have like a little bit of one. You never know what's coming in.
That's part of the fun of the job, though,
It makes
right?
it not boring. You
For
never
sure.
know what the day's gonna hold or what you're gonna open the door and find.
Mhm.
To go solve, right?
Right.
Mhm. But there's a lot of behind the scenes that takes place just to make the magic happen.
Yeah.
For sure.
Just keeping everything moving and hitting the dates and the time frames.
For sure. Sure. Well, thank you for showing this to us. This was awesome.
Absolutely.
This was awesome. And then, Paul, we're going to ask people to like, comment, share, subscribe. There's a button, follow, all that kind of stuff. And we'll see you back out in the field.
Yep. Yeah.
Bye.